So what they've given is a smart grid configuration, identification, valid time intervals. This is basically an easy sum. Okay, rather than studying all those stuff, just the first thing to solve problems to see the input and output. So first on seeing input and output, the input is 36 and output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18 and 16 and 36. All these are divisors of 36 by any number. Like for this is solved by normal brute force approach, what is called like for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, where you'll be printing the value of I. Like if n modulus of I equal to 0 means you'll be printing the value of I, right? So that is the actual method of doing this problem. But to solve this in an optimized way, we'll be using below method. Okay, using tree set. Tree set is used to retrieve the element in the uh, ascending order and without duplication. That is why deep tree set is mostly preferred. Okay, of the 49 also same only. Okay, it is available in one table, 7 table, 49 table. So how this is got is that first you'll be getting the input, right? So the next thing is that we are assigning like declaring tree set integer set is equal to new tree set. For I equal to 0, I is less than or equal to math dot square root of n. So what does this mean is that when you are entering to the loop, like what will be happening in here is that, see, one one I equal to 1, I less than or equal to math dot square root of n, which means the loop runs till 6. Okay, if it runs till 6, it will be checking. What will be checking, like n modulus of I is, what is n modulus of I? Like n modulus of 6, like 0, and n by 6 is like, wait, let me tell you more clearly. If 1 enters the loop, what will be the I is n. Okay, it passes the condition, and then 36 by I is 36 by 1 is 36. Okay, then 2 enters the loop. So I equal to 2, it passes the condition and it enters the loop. Then after adding, it will be like 36 by 2 is 18. Then 3 enters the loop. Then 36 by 3 is 36 by 3 is 12. Okay, yeah, 12 3 is 36. Then 4 enters the loop. 4 9 4 is 36. Then 5 enters the loop, it is not match the condition. 6 enters the loop, it is not 6. 6 is 36. So 6 and 6. So tree set basically returns in the ascending order without repetition. So we'll be basically adding in this and we'll be basically printing this value. That is all about the system. So this is about math grid configuration. Smart grid using intervals is basically using, like, just using tree set. That is all. Thank you.